What if I told you there are just 5 simple tricks that can change your English listening forever? Sounds too good to be true? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and more fun. If listening feels hard or boring, don't worry. These 5 tricks will help you listen smarter, not harder.
Get ready. These hacks are fast, fun, and easy to use every day. Let's go. Target trick number 1. Listen in short bursts.
All right, trick number 1. Listen in short bursts. Forget about watching a whole 30-minute video. Just start with 1 minute.
Yes, choose a short clip, maybe from a YouTube video, podcast, or TV show. Play it for 1 minute, then stop. Ask yourself, what did I understand? What words do I recognize?
You don't have to understand every word. Focus on the main idea. Even if you only catch weather, cold, jacket, you'll know they're talking about dressing for the weather.
That's real communication. Start small, build confidence. Soon, your brain will pick up more words naturally.
It's like exercise. 1 minute today, 2 minutes tomorrow. Soon, you're doing full workouts. Full conversations.
Love that. 1 minute at a time. That's the key. Target trick number 2. Use the pause, play, repeat method. Okay, here comes trick number 2, and it's super powerful. Pause, play, repeat.
Oh yeah, it's simple but so effective. Here's how it works. 1. Play a sentence. 2. Pause. 3. Repeat what you heard out loud. 4. Play again to check.
It trains your brain, your ears, and your mouth. Let's try it now.
All right, I'll say something. You repeat. Ready? Hey, I'm heading to the market. Need anything?
Now, listener, pause here and try to repeat it out loud. Now play again. Hey, I'm heading to the market. Need anything? Did you get it?
The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice.
Exactly. This method helps you hear natural speech, and when you say it yourself, your brain locks it in.
You're not just learning to listen, you're learning to speak with confidence too. Trick number 3, train your ears with different voices.
Here's one mistake many learners make. They only listen to one kind of English voice.
Right. Maybe it's always British English or always one teacher.
But in the real world, people speak with all kinds of voices. Fast, slow, clear, unclear, high-pitched, deep, excited, tired.
So trick number 3 is train your ears with variety. Mix it up. One day, listen to an American vlogger. The next day, try a British cooking show. Or even better, listen to podcasts with 2 people talking.
Just like us. You get 2 voices, 2 speeds, 2 accents, and that trains your brain to adapt fast.
And don't stress if you don't understand everything. Even native speakers ask, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Exactly. The goal is progress, not perfection. Idea trick number 4. Repeat but change the emotion.
Okay, ready for something fun?
Yes, trick number 4 is repeat with emotion.
Say the same sentence in different ways. Like, I'm going to the store. Try saying it,
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
That's good acting, Jack.
Thanks.
This trick helps you feel the rhythm and tone of English, not just the words, but how they sound in real life.
You'll learn faster and remember longer because your brain connects emotion with sound.
Also, it's fun. Learning should never feel boring. Brick number 5. Build a listening wall.
Now, here's our final trick, and it's something you can build right at home.
It's called a listening wall. Basically, create a playlist of your favorite English clips. Put them on your phone or laptop. Then, every time you sit down or take a break, press play.
This could be a funny clip from Friends, a news story with subtitles, a motivational podcast, a TikTok video in English, a music video.
Put your listening wall everywhere. On your phone, on YouTube, even on your bedroom mirror.
It's like surrounding yourself with English, and your brain learns without stress.
No grammar books, no exams, just listening, smiling, and learning fast.
So those were our 5 smart listening tricks. 1. Short bursts. 2. Pause, play, repeat. 3. Different voices. 4. Repeat with emotion. 5. Build a listening wall.
They're simple, they're fun, and they work.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Build a powerful listening routine. So, we've got the tricks, but how do you actually use them every day?
Great question. Because one-time effort is easy, but success comes from daily habits.
Exactly. So let's help our listeners build a simple, no-stress English routine, something easy to follow, even if you're busy.
Here's a 15-minute-a-day plan. Ready? Jack's 15-minute daily listening plan. 1. Minute 1 through 3, listen to a short audio clip from a podcast or video. 2. Minute 4 through 6, repeat the same clip using pause, play, repeat. 3. Minute 7 through 9, shadow 2 sentences out loud. 4. Minute 10 through 12, watch or listen again without subtitles. 5. Minute 13 through 15, write down 3 new phrases or words.
Boom! Just 15 minutes. And you get listening, speaking, reading, and even writing.
It's powerful and totally doable.
You can do it in the morning before work,
Or at night before bed.
even during lunch or while waiting for the bus. Here's the secret. Small effort every day.
It's like brushing your teeth. You don't skip it because it's part of your life.
Exactly. Make English your mental toothbrush. How to stay motivated and not give up.
Now let's talk about something real. Sometimes you'll feel tired or bored or stuck.
It happens to everyone. Even native speakers feel that way when learning a new language.
So how do you stay motivated?
Here are 3 tips to stay strong. Motivation tip number 1. Track small wins. Use a notebook or phone. Each day, write 1 sentence. I listened for 5 minutes today. I understood a new phrase today.
Seeing your progress keeps you going. Motivation tip number 2, reward yourself.
After a week of practice, treat yourself. Watch your favorite movie, eat your favorite snack. Say, I earned this.
Positive energy makes you want to learn more.
Motivation tip number 3, join a community. Learning alone is hard, but if you follow an English podcast, a YouTube channel like this one, you'll feel connected.
Leave a comment. Share your story. When someone replies, me too, boom, instant motivation.
We all need encouragement. That's what this podcast is for. Real-life listening practice, role play.
Okay, time to put it all together. Let's do a quick listening role play.
I'll speak like a native speaker. You, the listener, try to understand.
Ready?
Hey, I'm running a bit late. Can we meet around 6 instead?
Late, meet, 6.
Exactly. Even if you only catch a few words, you can guess the meaning. Here's what I said. Hey, I'm running a bit late. Can we meet around 6 instead? Let's break it down. Running late equals I'm not on time. Can we meet equals asking to change the plan. Around 6 equals maybe 6 o'clock or a little before or after.
You don't need to understand every word, just the big idea.
Now let's try shadowing. Repeat after me. Can we meet around 6 instead? Can we meet around 6 instead?
Great job! You're training your brain to hear and speak English more naturally. Plus, how listening helps you grow faster.
Let's wrap this up with some inspiration.
Many learners focus only on speaking, but listening is the foundation.
When you listen often, your pronunciation improves, your vocabulary grows, your confidence increases, and you understand more in real conversations.
You start to think in English, not just translate from your native language.
And that's when everything becomes easier.
So keep going. One clip, 1 minute, one win at a time.
You've got this. All right, that's a wrap on today's episode.
We shared 5 powerful listening tricks to help you learn English faster and smarter.
Let's quickly recap. 1. Listen in short bursts. 2. Use pause, play, repeat. 3. Train with different voices. 4. Repeat with emotion. 5. Build your own listening wall.
Plus, we talked about how to build a 15-minute-a-day routine, stay motivated, and practice with real-life conversations.
Now it's your turn. Pick one trick, use it today, and let us know how it goes.
Drop a comment below. What tip helped you the most?
And if you found this episode helpful,
Yes, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, practice what you've just learned.
your English journey is personal, but you're not alone. We're here with you every step of the way.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep smiling.
See you next time on
Achieve English Podcast.